everyone, we're again live at the Central Jersey Real Estate Expo. We're here with another guest, Willie. I honestly forgot your last name.
Dolinko.
Dolinko.
Yep. William Dolinko.
Yes, William Dolinko. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Yeah, William, tell the audience a little bit about yourself, your background, and what you kind of do.
Okay. So 33 years old. Started in real estate about a year ago, and I got it into a little bit of wholesaling. And
It's only been a year?
It's been about a year, maybe actually a little over a year.
Okay.
Maybe like a year and some change. Took me about like 6 or 7 months to close my first wholesale deal. And then while doing that, I met with a lot of homeowners in foreclosure and really fell in love with really helping people in that situation, that space. So closed my first deal, and currently working with a lot of people, helping a lot of people in foreclosure right now. It's going pretty good.
Yeah. So what would you say is basically one of your specialties?
So I'm actually really good at connecting with people. And because I'm able to connect with people on a certain level, and I'm really not after money, and I'm really actually after helping them solve their problem. That's really people have told me that I have a gift. I really don't see it, but it's been working for me. It's been working for me. So
yeah. You do. You're a really people person.
Yep.
And I know one thing you actually sort of specialize in, not intentionally, I guess, but short sales, right?
Yeah.
Is kind of what you do.
Yep.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So after that wholesale deal, the short sales started coming in like crazy, and I'm currently negotiating 6 or 7 right now. We just helped someone get a loan mod, so we saved his house, and it's more about like sitting with these sellers in their house and really just talking to them, having a one-on-one conversation with them, and seeing how I can help them. So, yeah.
I mean, because it makes sense, because like homeowners don't know what they don't know.
Yep.
So
Absolutely.
You being kind of like that liaison to speak to the bank, because most homeowners, if they're behind on their payments, they're scared shitless to try to talk to the bank.
Yeah, a lot of these homeowners, they don't pick up the phone. They literally hear the words bank, and they run. So I'm actually able to connect with them in a way where, like, even if they get scared, I can calm them down in a way where they will continue to work with me and help, really help themselves and solving their own problem. I'm just there to really guide them and give them their options. So
That's awesome.
yeah.
So how can the people here? Thank you for coming in for a few minutes.
Yeah,
actually.
absolutely.
I know you're busy today. How can they reach you on social media?
Yeah, you can reach me on social media as Short Sale Slayer on Instagram, and just my name on Facebook, William Dolinko, Dolinko. All right.
Okay. Awesome.
Yep.
Thanks for being on the show, brother.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. And we want to thank Alpha Funding for being a sponsor on the show. Thank you.
Take care.